YouFibre full features, strengths, weaknesses. YouFibre distinguishes itself as a full fiber broadband provider, leveraging fiber to the premises (FTTP) technology to deliver consistently high speeds directly to your home, bypassing older copper infrastructure. Key features revolve around symmetrical speeds, meaning upload and download rates are identical, crucial for activities like video conferencing, content creation, and cloud backups. Plans typically range from entry-level speeds around 150 megabits per second to gigabit options exceeding 900 megabits per second, catering to varying bandwidth needs. Target users include households with multiple devices, gamers, remote workers, and anyone prioritizing reliable, high-speed internet. A significant strength lies in their competitive pricing, often undercutting larger providers while offering superior technology. The absence of data caps ensures unrestricted usage, a major advantage for heavy internet users. Furthermore, YouFibre often offers bundled packages including phone services, providing added value. Installation is generally straightforward, though may require a new fiber optic cable to be run to your property, potentially incurring extra costs depending on existing infrastructure. One notable weakness is limited geographic availability. YouFibre primarily focuses on smaller towns and regions, meaning it's not yet a nationwide service, restricting access for many potential customers. Customer service, while improving, has faced criticism in the past for longer response times compared to more established providers, although they are actively addressing this. Another potential drawback is the requirement for a new optical network terminal, ONT, within your home, adding another piece of equipment to manage. However, the performance benefits largely outweigh this inconvenience. The lack of long-term contract options, often offering 12 or 24-month terms, could be viewed as both a pro and a con, providing flexibility but potentially missing out on deeper discounts for longer commitments. Ultimately, YouFibre presents a compelling option for those within their service area seeking reliable, high-speed internet, especially as symmetrical speeds are a priority. While geographic limitations and past customer service issues are points to consider, their competitive pricing and FTTP technology make them a strong contender in the full fiber market. Before committing, verify coverage in your specific area and compare current promotional offers from YouFibre and competing providers like Community Fiber or HyperOptic, where available, to ensure you're getting the best possible value.